1, 2, 3, 4. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. What's up, Jooba people? Welcome to this lesson. Just before we get going, I wanted to let you know that I give private lessons. Okay, so if you want to take lessons with me, check the link in the description. You can sign up for a free trial lesson, and if you stay for lessons, you get one lesson every week for $200 a month, and it's basically just a nice private lesson, and we do it over Zoom video call to wherever you are in the world. We have a nice scheduling system for all of that, and I give you your PDFs for the lessons that you request. And we do about new song every week, a new song every 2 weeks, and whatever it is that you're learning, I adapt to your pace and your genre preference, what you like to learn. Okay, so let's jump into the lesson. Sitting on the Dock of the Bay is a classic campfire song, so cool, and I would just want to show you the chords quickly that we use. We've learned these chords in the campfire course, but I'm just quickly going to go over them. That's a G chord, really nice, and then the D. Okay, and then the C. Okay, the three basic chords in the key of G, very nice chords. And then they use these non-diatonic chords, which means these chords are actually not in the key of G, but the guy works with them really nicely to make them sound really cool. So we got this B7, which is a 3 chord in the key of G, the 3 major chord, and it's really nice. And then they've got an A7 there. Okay. And then in the chorus they've got an E as well, instead of an E minor, which you'd usually find in the key of G. So beautiful, beautiful. And then in the bridge they've got F chord, which is the new chord for us in the campfire thing. So they were introducing an F chord in here. Now this F chord you're going to play with the first finger here, and you're going to just walk it up here. Into the thick of it. Anyway, and I like to play the open high E string on that. Anyway, so you walk up just like the C, but you take your middle finger down 1, and your pinky you put below the ring finger. Okay. Anyway, so that's the F chord, and it's very important to not play the thick E string. I mute it with my thumb, otherwise you get that sound, which is really bad. Okay, so we're going to be using this F chord. The chord progressions for the song is simple. For the verses, we've got this. Oh, let's just first do the strumming. Okay, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down. It's sitting in the dark of the bay. I don't know the words that well, but down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So that will be the vibe for the song. Then for the verses, we got this chord progression going G, B7, C, A, or A7. I like the A7 better. And that just kind of loops for the verse a couple times. I think 4 times or twice. I kind of will check now. And then for the chorus, it's basically every time a chord is written, it's a strumming pattern. Okay, like a full pattern. So see, I'm playing my G like this, and if you want to do this, you gotta mute the A string. Very important. Okay. And then it goes from there. Then the bridge looks like, now that D with a little arrow to the left, that means the D is just pushed, so it's a little bit early. So you're going to play like this. Looks like you're gonna go G D G D C G D C. You're gonna loop that a couple of times, and then the third time you're gonna be G D C G F D. Sorry, can't see that. F D. Okay, so it's all gonna make sense if you add the lyrics to the thing. But let's quickly play the verse. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. In the morning sun, I'll be sitting when the evening comes, watching the ships roll in, then I'll watch them roll away again. Pretty cool. And then we get to the chorus. Sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Oh, I'm just sitting in the dock of the bay, wasting time. So that's an A. He didn't. Sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. And then the second verse is the same as the first verse. Bridge is just pretty tough. Listen here. You're gonna sing, play, and then sing. So it's gonna be look like nothing's gonna change. Everything still remains the same. I can't do what 10 people tell me to do, so I guess I'll remain the same. Such good lyrics. So the guy's so confused. He's just like, oh well, I'm just gonna stay the same. So I can't do what 10 people tell me to do, so I guess I'll remain the same. So I guess I'll remain the same. So if you're thinking about where to start singing, it's important to start singing on the second beat of the strumming thing. So I guess I'll remain the same, yes. Look like nothing's gonna change. Everything still remains the same. I can't do what 10 people tell me to do, so I guess I'll remain the same. I'm sitting in the morning sun. Really cool song. I like this. Really nice camper song. Really nice. You could do it really chill and it can still work. Cheers, guys. Have a nice day. Remember, sign up for private lessons with me if you're a cool person. If not, then bounce off. No, I'm just kidding. Non-cool people can also take lessons. Cheers.